Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. My name is Eddie and I will be your tech and host for Surfing the Net Computer Repair. In this segment, we're going to cover a diagnostic on a CyberPro system, gaming system used that was shipped and had extensive damage. The tempered glass was all busted up. The case was beat and so forth, dinged up, dented, whatever you want to call it. So we check out and see what's salvageable and put into another custom case. And it's pretty interesting, especially towards the end. If you're new to this channel, we are strictly computers repair. We're a computer repair center. All we do is repair computers, and we cover regular PCs, laptops, various repairs, and we pick certain ones, and we'll pick it for videoing and editing to bring you content that I think that you would enjoy, especially if you're really into computers, or maybe you want to become a computer tech, whatever, or just a hobbyist, because with the videos that we have, you'll know how to get around. You can show how you can repair software yourself, make minor cleaning, whatever, and you'll see these videos and know what I'm talking about. I'm not a cameraman, as you can tell, but anyway, if you are new to this channel and you'd like to see more of this kind of videos and specials and stuff, just click on the subscribe button below, and you'll notice there's a little bell icon next to it. If you click on that little bell icon, you'll be notified of upcoming videos. And welcome again. And let's get started, shall we? All right, let's see what kind of damage we have here. This one a customer bought online. Came all damaged and busted up here. Oh my, a lot of glass. Shake it out of there. Oh, that glass. Oh my, system's full of glass. See all that glass down there? Oh, a ton of it inside. Oh, anyway, we're gonna get this. We've got a lot of bendings. This all frame is bent. A lot of glass inside. We're gonna have to gut it, take everything out, and then we'll see what we can come up with. Maybe a different case and get it all. Oh, it's even got broken parts. That must have been the glass side. Yeah, it's pretty bad shape and it's full of glass. Got a lot of bend. Oh my. Yeah, we'll fix her up. Alright, finally got most of the glass out. There's still a bunch in the fans. Tons of it in this bottom panel and also the back panel. What we're going to do is put this all in a new custom case. So let's go ahead and just pull the motherboard. Get the graphics card out of here. Let's put all those cables here. Let's get the graphics card out. Latch. CIE. Let's get the tough as it's bent. Okay, so it's kind of damaged. Shit. Customer bought this online for a gaming system, and evidently it came with the glass all smashed and all bent up, and looks like it was dropped a few times. So let's get this out. Glass in there or what? Doesn't help when a panel's bent. Hope it didn't do any more damage. Let's see if we can just bend enough of the panel. There we go. Oh yeah, it's glass in that one. Move this to the side. That's a fan wrapped around there. Get this out of here without moving that back panel until we get all the glass out of it. See if I can get this motherboard out. It's a gaming board. And should have 1, 2, 3, 4. Top two are going to be the toughest. Get a little bit of light here. That's not gonna work. Do this one by hand. Now, when the individual sold this, I didn't clean it up. Look at that. Look at that. accumulated dust and dirt. Isn't that something? Let's go ahead and get this last screw out of here. All the wires. Board out. There we go. I/O shield right here is proprietary to each motherboard. So let's pop that out of there. I'll use this on the board. That's an I/O shield. Okay, those always go with the motherboard. Now, hopefully we don't make too much of a mess in this one. Let's go ahead and just glass dropping everywhere here. Alright. As you can see, still has a lot of the glass at the bottom of this. Look at the position of those hard drives. They broke loose. Boy, they had to really be tossing this thing around and shipping. Yeah. So let me get this glass out of here. Wow. I don't think we're going to need pretty well. Huh. Not a good condition for this drive. It just fell in my hand. Let's see if we can get the other drive out. Let's just Chihuahua. And it's going to be a little bit tough. This is all done on the inside. There's just so much glass. If I can just hold it up on track. I think I got it on track. There we go. It's just bent. Okay, there's a second hard drive. As you can see, this is so full of glass. A glass panel. Come up, get back and get the. I don't even think I want to try using this power supply at all. We'll just set this aside and see if we can prep this motherboard and get this in another case. Now that we have the case out of the way, let's go ahead and clean this up. We got most of the glass off of it. Let me remove the memory, which is, what do we got? 1.5 volt. All right. Like 8 gig stick there. Let's go ahead and get the fan off this heat sink here. Oh man, it's filthy. But take a look at this CPU. Yeah, what's wrong with that? You know, if you sell a used system, people, clean it up. Good Lord. I'd hate to buy a car from the individual that sold this. But, oh my gosh, look at all the surface crap. Oh, that processor, poor thing. Anyway, we'll get all this cleaned up. Flaky, dead, it's dried up. Then we'll take some alcohol. We'll clean this even further. Just want to get the main off of this. Let me take this board. I don't want to blow the dust in your face, so let me go ahead and forward a little bit. Oh, some more glass. Let's get all this glass off the board here. Okay. I think it looks just a little bit better. You can see the processor. We don't have all that junk on the board. So it looks pretty good. And we'll put this in a customized case and we will be good. Now that we have this cleaned so far, let's see what we got in the back. Oh, you can buy this nice old. Let's see what we can do with this. the fan out of it. From the heatsink. Yeah. So you leave the spring on this. Oh, Lord. On 9.9% alcohol. Much better. We'll set this aside. All right, let's get this fan all cleaned out. Okay, looks good. This one, let's see if we can. Let's check out this processor here. Gently take it out of the socket. Not a bad central processing unit. I don't know if you can read it. Get it focused here. AMD. Okay. Check the pins. Rows look fine. fans. That's what we want to see. Okay. Okay. Looks like got it ready for the case. Went ahead and tied up the excess fan wiring, and it's to the board. We locked on the heat sink and screwed in the fan. So we're all ready to prep the case and get this built. Fortunately, the power supply from the other case was damaged and way too much glass in it. So here we're going to install a new power supply. Looks to be, we got a Gaming Max RGB 600 watt power supply, and this also has a very good 80 plus bronze rating. Very, very important to look at the rating. Let's get this unpackaged and installed. All right, we're gonna, first of all, before the board, we're gonna go ahead and put the heat, the actual IO shield, and it's real easy. We just line it up, gently push at the bottom. There we go. Snap it in there. There's the IO shield. Now all I have to do is bolt the board. Fans, then they're RGB, and a little color on here. So I think we have all that. Some extra standoff. We'll take that out of the case. There we go. And our board is done and in. So all we need to do is put in the power supply, and we'll do some cable management. This will be pretty well done. All right. Just installed the power supply, which was 4 screws on the back, shows the power supply. And all the cabling we ran 2 hard drives. Now we're going to run some more cables. Let's see what we've got. You can see the power supply. Of course, we did all the other stuff. Video card, cleaned the board, the processor, and all that stuff. And we just run the main power leads and stuff. So now we're going to run up some more wires and run it through the back, and we should be complete, and then we'll give it a test run. Okay. We have got pretty much the wires. Do it on film, but you wouldn't be able to see what I'm doing with my fingers and hand in here anyway. But we did get the audio, USB 2, another USB, regular USB. We got the HDD power switch, reset switch, all of them there. We got both hard drives hooked up. We got the video card hooked up. So it doesn't look, like there's hardly any wires showing. And we don't want the wires showing, kind of hide them in the back panel because it's enclosed and it's just a panel, no window. On this side we have a tempered glass that goes around this so you can see inside with the lights and all that sort of thing. So we'll be getting that too. Let's go ahead and get this powered up. All right, let's get the power button and push the power button, and there we go. All right, I did a post. Man, looks pretty good. See the screen. Is booting up. We are in the Windows. We just have to finish setting it up, but that should do it. Let me see the front of the case. Oh, that looks pretty good. Front fan. Then we've got 2 overhead. One back. So let's get the rest of this. Just do some cable management in the back. Get the tempered glass in the side, and it'll be ready to go. Okay, there's the finished product. displaying Windows 10, the gaming machine. And the clear temp glass, we're going to let the customer tear off the protective just to keep the glass clean. But there it is. Put it in a lot better case than what it was in. We did all that cleanup. So there you go. Okay, there's the finished product. And it's displaying Windows 10, the gaming machine. And the clear temp glass, we're going to let the customer tear off the protective just to keep the glass clean. But there it is. Put it in a lot better case than what it was in. We did all that cleanup. So there you go.